Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 3rd February. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to lay foundation stone of Talabira thermal power project on Saturday. India is moving forward with the vision to make the country Viksit Bharat by 2047, PM Modi. President Murmu inaugurated 37th Suraj Kund International Craft Mela 2024 in Faridabad. Over 3.8 crore beneficiaries enrolled under PM Matra Vandana Yojana till January 29. Government to open 25,000 Bharatiya Janaushadhi Kendras by 31st March 2026. IAF to conduct mega exercise Vayu Shakti 2024 at Pokhran range in Jaisalmer on 17 Feb. My Bharat portal surpassed 1 crore 45 lakh youth registrations in 3 months. Life insurance and accidental cover up to 2 lakh rupees extended to every Anganwadi worker, informed Union Minister Smriti Irani. International news. North Korea tests more cruise missiles as Kim Jong Un calls for war readiness. Partnership with India is one of the most consequential relationships. US. EU approved additional 54 billion US dollars aid package for Ukraine. India Maldives hold second core group meet in Delhi over troop withdrawal. Pressure cooker of despair, UN said Gaza refugees growing in border town. Farmers created chaos outside an EU summit and raised some promises of relief. Joe Biden imposed sanctions on Israeli settlers accused of West Bank violence. Now, some sports news. Davis Cup strong Indian team is firm favorite against Pakistan in historic clash. Anjali Bhagwat pleased with young shooters who made mark in international arena. ICC planned to extend chairman's tenure to 3 years. This acknowledgement is very humbling. Rohan Bonappa met PM Narendra Modi after AO heroics. Business related news. SEBI mulls revamping nominations framework to reduce unclaimed assets in securities market. Paytm app will continue to work beyond February 29 as usual, CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma. CBDT said 56 lakh updated, ITRs filed 4,600 crore taxes mopped up in 2 years. Success of India grounded in pursuit of reforms over last year's IMF MD. India's forex reserve increased by $591 million to $616.7 billion. Coal India fuel supply to thermal power plants rose by 5% in April to January. And that's all in news. Thank you.